الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today we are going to make palak chicken. So here we have all the stuff for the palak chicken. Okay, so to begin with, we have the spices, which are chili powder, madras curry, turmeric powder, salt, cumin seed, and crushed coriander. We have 3 large tomatoes soaked in hot water. The skin has been taken off, and we have 2 medium onions. So that's done. And here is the whole chicken been cut into this size, as you can see. And we have about half cup of methi leaves, which are fenugreek leaves, I think they're called. And in the mortar we have ginger, garlic, and green chilies. The ginger, the garlic was 1 whole bulb, and the ginger was the equivalent amount, and there were 4 chilies. The spinach we are using for this recipe is a frozen spinach, and it's the whole leaf spinach, not the one that's been minced. So you want to use a whole leaf spinach. This is 900 grams, but I think it's too much for the chicken, so we're going to take about a quarter off. So use about 600 grams, maybe 500 to 600 grams. Okay, so to begin with slicing the onions very thinly. We got the onion in the wok, and now we're gonna add the onions. Bismillah. Okay, they needs to be browned, the onion. So that's the new recipe we did before. The kids like it, and I think this is about the 4th time we're making it now. Okay, so the onions are now brown. We'll now add the garlic and ginger chili paste. Okay, so next is the tomatoes. Okay, so put the lid on for the tomatoes to get softened. Okay, so now we're going to add the spices. So all of the spices goes in, and you mix it. Okay, so what you will need to do is pound the tomatoes and the onions like so. Okay, so now you add the chicken. Okay, so you let the chicken get cooked for 5 to 10 minutes before you add the spinach. Okay, so that's half teaspoon of garam masala, which you add at this stage. Okay, so now at this stage we add the methi, mix it, and you add your spinach. Okay, so at this stage you need to put the lid on to get some steam inside the pot for the spinach to open up. Okay, the spinach are still not, it's still frozen in some places, so we'll wait. Okay, let's have a check. Give it a stir. It's almost cooked. You see the spinach? Okay, now put the lid back on. Okay, so now we'll take the lid off, and the rest of the cooking will be done without the lid. It's looking good, mashallah. Okay, so that's the spinach. It's all ready to go. Okay, so this can be served with chapatis, naan, or white plain rice, which we have here. Okay, so we have chapatis and the white rice. I'll try with the chapati. Bismillah. Mashallah, that's really, really good. Anything with spinach is usually good. I mean, I'm not Popeye, but I do like spinach. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.